is the moment, tonight is the night.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're looking at Bitcoin's daily chart, and it's sitting right at a major crossroad around 112,000 level. The big question right now is it just cooling off before the next leg up, or are we gearing up for a deeper pullback into support? In this video, we're going to break it all down with the exponential moving averages, RSI momentum, and key Fibonacci zones that could decide where the price heads next, which is basically what we've been talking about. My support levels at 103 to 112 on the macro time frame, with levels up to 139 to 148,000. Okay. So let's talk about the structure first. Bitcoin's been trading between 103 and 112,000 with the 20 and 50 EMAs slightly curling down, okay? While the 100 and 200 are trending higher. This is very important to note. That's basically a picture of short-term consolidation inside a long-term uptrend. When you see price sitting between the 20 and 100-day EMAs, it usually means the market's resetting and traders are waiting for direction. Let me drink some water. I guess if Bitcoin can reclaim that 20 EMA, let me close out of that, around 113, 114,000, which we were at earlier, we could see momentum build up quickly towards the next area of resistance at 120K. And eventually getting that blow off top, which is what I'm waiting for. That will take us to the 139 to 148,000 zone. Okay. But if the price breaks below 103K, that opens the door for deeper retest and potentially the high of around 90,000. I don't know. I would have to kind of re-look at that area if we do break that. But that's not good if we do. If we break below 103, like, it's not looking good for Bitcoin. Just full disclosure. Now let's check the daily RSI. It's sitting around 50 right in the middle. So this is a neutral territory. Historically, when Bitcoin's RSI sits around midline after a big rally, it's the calm before a bigger move. Now, is the bigger move going to be to the upside or the downside? Your guess is better than mine. Obviously, I am hoping that it is to the upside. Now, let's notice how each major impulse leg starts when RSI breaks above 60 and corrections deepen when RSI drops below 40. Okay, so obviously when we do get a breakout, I mean, we could dissect this, but I'm sure you guys understand what I mean by when the RSI breaks over 60 and then drops below 40. Below 4, since it's neutral right now, we don't have to worry about it, right? So if it breaks over 60, that's great. We're in for that bigger move. But if you break below 40, which does actually put you below the moving average, then you're looking at a deeper consolidation. Right now, we're coiling between those two zones. That tells me volatility is building up. And whichever direction RSI breaks, next will likely confirm Bitcoin's next move. Okay. Let's zoom out and talk about the bigger picture using Fibonacci retracements. From the last swing low to high, Bitcoin's been hovering near that 382.5 Fib zone, right? Which historically acts as a reaccumulation level during bull markets. We've seen the same setup before back in 2020 and again in 2023. Both times, Bitcoin spent weeks chopping sideways before breaking into a new trend. So as long as we hold over 103, that Fib structure is intact. Losing that would shift things towards a deeper 618 retracement. But for now, we don't have to worry about that. But I guess I could kind of bring it up. Yeah, we're looking at like 90s, right? Like 90,000. But I don't even want to say that because that would be devastating. Okay. Let's see. And so I guess I guess let's talk about the bullish case. So the bullish case is if Bitcoin can flip the 114 to 115K zone and push through 120, we'd likely retest. We'll likely break out and get to the 139 to 148 area of resistance for all-time highs, which would mark the next impulsive leg up in the macro uptrend. But again, the bearish case is that we lose the 103 and we probably get a quick flush to around like maybe the high 90s, the high 90,000 region before finding demand again. So to wrap it up, Bitcoin's consolidation between key levels EMA are flattening. Sorry, and RSI is neutral. Oh my gosh, I need to make my videos in the morning instead of at night. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching. If you found the breakdown useful, I would greatly appreciate you dropping a like, a subscribe, and comment below where you think Bitcoin's heading next. Up to 140,000 or back down to 100K. Thanks for watching. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll see you in the next one.